All right, guys. So we're gonna be talking about the euro pound, guys. I think this is gonna be one of my favorite ones for this week. Um, I think the last one we have is the Aussie New Zealand. After that, I don't think I have any more. But this is actually gonna be one of my favorite ones. And as much as I don't really like trading this pair, I actually found it attractive. Okay. Um, monthly coming out of monthly resistance. And it came back into weekly support, and we're just bouncing back up. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly now. Um, that was a weekly support, bounced out of weekly resistance, bounced back down, and we're in that area right now. Those blue lines are going to mean something for you guys right now. Um, daily, there's so sorry. Daily, there's really nothing much to talk about. Let's go ahead and bounce down to the 4 hour. This is the interesting part. This is what got my attention. You guys have noticed that that level, that level, that level, that 4 hour candle right there. I mean, that was something. That's something that was. It was just. It was just stalling price down, right? And I think I wrote it down to the 88.70 or 75, which level was 70. All right. So we got the alert. I got the alert last week. Okay. But it never came back down to this is remember that if you guys have been following what I've been saying, that sometimes when we get the breakouts, sometimes we'll never get the retracement. Well, if it doesn't come back to me, it just doesn't come back. But if it does, check it out. We have demand right there. So I'd be looking for, let me give you the levels that I already wrote down on my lower time frames. From the 88.55 to the 25. Actually, I will bring down to the 55 to the 20. Let's just kind of give it that extra little buffer right there. Here's a problem with this pair, though. You're going to have to have patience. You're going to have to have a lot of patience because this pair travels really, really slow. And then the 90.50 would be the next level of interest, where I should have actually wrote down another level because I already have it on my other charts. So if this pair works, it's going to be really good because the payout on this one is going to be really well. That's a 1-to-1, 2-to-1, 3-to-1, 4-to-1, 5-to-1. It's just having the patience, guys, and that's as far as I'll take it. Okay, yeah, uh, they can. I mean, you do have more possibilities, but since I'm looking at the lower time frames right now, and I noticed that 90.50 for me, we have a lot of resistance in that area on the lower time frames. I'm expecting somewhat of a pullback. If I get the pullback, and then yeah, I'm not gonna do this. As a matter of fact, for me in this week, the only set and forget that I'll be doing, because I don't normally look at this pair, is gonna be this euro pound. And as bad as I hate trading this pair, not that I don't like it. A chart is a chart. It's just, I mean, look at the daily. Let's go take a look at the daily here. The daily ATR is 73 pips. This moves roughly about an average about 70 pips a day. Um, I mean, yeah, I mean, it's sometimes it'll drop down to 50, but at any given rate, it's just the volatility on this. Just does it's not that great for me. But I'll definitely be putting down as a set and forget. And I like the risk that I'm exposing myself to, but the reward is much better. The only way, once again, the only way for this to work out is we need a pullback. And then once again, that is the disadvantage of actually trading this way, because we might not get the pullback at all. Okay, um, that's pretty much it, guys. That's for the euro pound. I'm not looking to short this at all. The only thing I'm looking to do is just going long on this. And then sometimes what I've noticed is that I think I set the 88.55. I'm looking at my lower time frames right now. Sometimes, oh yeah, I think I 88.60. Yeah, that's where I have it. 88. Do I have it at 88.60? I should have actually put it at 88.60 because why do I say that? Because sometimes with these crossfairs, they tend to actually give me not come in precisely into my entry, and I tend to get a really it's a as my one of my mentors would say, you tend to get really pretty on your entries that you don't necessarily get. You don't. You got the right. You got the right understanding, and I mean, the play is good, but just because you're trying to get really precise, sometimes it just doesn't give them to you. So I mean, once again, that's still, even if I were to stake that extra 5 pips above, it's still well a 5 to 1. All right, guys. I think that's for me. I guess the top pick of the week for me is a euro pound. If it hits, it hits. If it doesn't, well, so be it. All right. And then once again, if what if the euro pound starts diving? Hey, well, you know what? It's part of the game. Okay. Another thing that I'd be looking at is, um, you know what? Maybe if you kind of wanna, because that support right there, that's unfilled orders here. Give me 1 second before I leave. 88. Let's see if we actually see anything further down on the 88. Well, the furthest demand is 88.20. The furthest demand, maybe if you want to kind of just get, it's still going to be a 5 to 1 trade though. Like I say, on lower time frames, I'm seeing the 88.20 exactly at the 88.20. Maybe you want to bring it down to the 88.15 and just cover the entire thing. Where if you're that person that just once you set it up, especially my overnights, I tend to do that. Uh, if you want to just kind of just set it and forget it, maybe do that. It looks like it's going to chew up a little bit less than your 5 to 1, but it's almost there, guys. It's almost there. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much the game plan that I have set for this week. And I think I have one more to talk about, and that's it, guys. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.